Today we're going to build a super powerful and very compact MICRO ATX gaming PC for portable work and gaming. So first we're going to go over all the parts while we're building the PC. Second, then we're going to unbox the accessories I'm going to be using for the portable setup. And then we're going to hop in the Mustang and travel from Las Vegas all the way to California and set it up in a hotel room and see how it games, testing out our portable setup in real time.
What the heck?
Alright guys, we're back with the compact builds. The last one was literally over a year ago.
It's been 84 years.
Let's do it. I don't know the brand. It's up on the screen. JONSBO ASUS Z20. It's the Z20, guys. So I picked up the case used on eBay because at the time it wasn't in stock on Amazon, but now it is in stock on Amazon. All right, cool. Looks like we're not really missing anything. Here it is. Look how tiny it is. Very nice quality. I've never built in this case, but we will figure it out. Nice little power button, has a type C. I'm assuming that's a USB 3, and then mic and headphone jack. As you can see, it comes with no fans at all. Now, our motherboard. This is their B850M AORUS Elite Wi-Fi. This is a very nice motherboard. Everything in this build is very high quality in the aesthetics department. All right, guys, motherboard secure. Build is looking lovely so far. We're using the Ryzen 7 7800X CPU, an amazing 8-core AMD 3D CPU. 3D CPUs are so good for gaming. We're gonna get all the juice out of our 9070 XT graphics card. All right, CPU in. What's gonna be cooling this? So the ROG Ryujin 3 240 ARGB CPU liquid cooler. So look, there's a high performance right here. It's gonna keep our CPU nice and cool, but it has a screen on it. Put whatever you want in there. So awesome, AIO with a screen. Very beefy looking, as you can see. Nice little white radiator to go along with it. I didn't even know the fans had this feature, but it's those fancy new fans. They're literally just magnetic, and then they're connected. Now I want to go ahead and get the power supply already in here too. See how that's gonna fit, because this is looking real tight right there. We're gonna be using this white Thermaltake 850 watt gold rated power supply. It's fully modular, looks beautiful. Let's get it open. This is their Toughpower Snow. 850 watts is more than enough for an RX 9070 XT. Now the power cables are, thank goodness, they're all white, so they match the power supply. We're going to be using the stock power supply cables for this build, guys. No extensions. So as you can see, cable management is not going to be a problem at all in this build. So now that leaves us with the 2 long power cables for our graphics card. These are the ones we're going to have to finesse to get them to look neat and not horrible. We went with a beautiful G.SKILL kit in the white colorway of the Trident, and it's going to match perfectly. Look at that, guys. Look at these RAM sticks. They're gonna look so clean in there. White and black colorway, and on top, of course, that lights up. And this is CL30 RAM, so it's gonna perform great. All right, beautiful RAM right there. It's in. Now for our storage, I want to go ahead and bump it up to 2 terabytes so we can have a good amount of games on this build. We're going with the Crucial P310. This is a Gen 4 M.2 SSD. So I'll go ahead and install this one onto the second slot, which is for Gen 4 and below. Now I'm going to hook up all the case cables. Alright guys, case cables out of the way. They weren't a problem. We still need all the cables for our ASUS AIO, and we just plug these into our graphics card. Some extra fans. So I have a pack of 320mm fans here, white colorway. These are gonna look lovely in here. We're going to have 2 on the bottom. We went with a XFX RX 9070 XT. This is the Swift model. I'll go ahead and put it up on the screen right now as far as the different tiers. Let's open this up. So this is our second RX 9070 XT build here on the channel. The first one we did was a full build guide. So we have made a build guide with this card. It is a pretty beefy card, but it will fit in our mini ITX case. Big boy right here. ports, 3 display ports, 1 HDMI. It's really coming together now, guys. Almost done. We gotta cable manage the back. But we did it. We're gonna slap on the panels, boot it up for the first time, see how it looks, and then we're gonna frag it up on this build. We are done. Let's measure how much it weighs. I have the scale. It weighs 25.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
It's cool how you can just pick it up from the handle, just like that. Is the handle secure? I hope so. Imagine this thing just goes, if you're gonna travel and you need to do some creative work on your hotel room or game, you just go, see, just like that. It's very convenient. Let's turn it on for the first time. Moment of truth. Oh, the screen's already on. Yo, that screen is sick, man. These AIOs with screens. Turn it on for the first time. Here we go. What do you guys think of this look? Super compact micro ATX case with a lot of power.
Comes great responsibility.
Very mobile. Why don't we take it on a real world travel situation and see how it works out? 2,000 bucks, not bad, right? Let me know what kind of build you want to see next. Anyways, guys, we're gonna jump into the performance of this build soon. Go ahead and turn on bell notifications if you haven't already so you can be alerted when we drop future builds here on the channel. A lot of build guides coming out soon. I also started the channel membership, so feel free to join. Thank you for your support if you do. And all the parts used for this build are linked in the video description. And that's it, guys. Let's go ahead and see how this thing performs.
Hey, listen up and listen up good. You're not ready to go just yet. You need to install Windows. Windows can be a pretty price, but not anymore. Thanks to FragItUp.shop, you'll be fragging it up in no time. Pick up Windows 11 Pro with an OEM activation key for only 25 bucks. Shipping from the US of A. Go pick it up right now at FragItUp.shop. That's an order, soldier!
All right, guys, so we're gonna go over my entire little portable setup. We have all our accessories here that we're gonna be fitting in this backpack. Let's see if it's legit. Let's just get the PC in there right off the bat. Okay, computer's in there. So I'm just gonna be taking my keyboard that I already have. It's an Alienware keyboard. So I went ahead and picked up an Alienware Pro headset. I haven't worn a headset in such a long time. I mean, these don't look whack, man. These look pretty sick. Now we have our monitor. This is a 1440p monitor and it was 256 bucks. 180 hertz, not bad, I'll take it. This stand is gonna allow us to raise the monitor up so it can be leveled and I won't be like, oh, hunchback. Decent stand, unless you're banging on the... So now back to our bag here. We're gonna place the screen away from the computer side. Now this pouch up here is where we're going to put our keyboard. We're gonna put our mouse in that same pouch right here on top. Okay, let's get this thing on. Tighten it up. Has extra support here. We'll throw that on right now, why not? Is it pretty stable? Is it even running it? You guys tell me what you guys think of this setup. Is it legit or should he just get ripped off on a laptop? We're gonna put this build to the test somewhere nice. We're going back to Cali. These are the new rims we just picked up, guys. It's a staggered setup. This is my project car, guys. Old Mustang V6, it's a stick shift. My plan is to swap it with a Coyote engine, because right now it's only 210 horsepower. But I have been working on it since I bought it. Put some different seats in there. Pretty high quality shift knob. Also have aftermarket lights on there. Pretty comfortable backpack. Almost 500 megabytes per second download. That's crazy. All right, guys, I got it set up. It's pretty legit. Even on this small little desk, I mean, I have enough space for the desktop and everything else. So what I'm realizing right now is I've never played on a 24-inch monitor that's 1440p because they don't sell it. I feel like I'm aiming better, like I'm hitting my shots with no effort on it. I mean, it feels pretty fluid. Okay, we just no-scoped that guy. Yo, could you hear me, bro? I just bought a brand new mic. Is it working? Hello?
Yeah, it's gas, dude.
Does this sound sexy?
It sounds nice. Dude.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit that I have ever heard.
All right, this is it. Oh, come on, punk. Okay, all right, we're coming back. We're doing good now. Oh, we got it, guys. Health. All right, here we go. One more for the 5K. We need, oh, and that's game. I mean, a gaming laptop would be a lot more mobile friendly, but look, just think about all the power we're getting. This is a lot more power for your money. All right, gentlemen, we're back from our little road trip to Cali, but we didn't have too much time to get gameplay in the hotel, so let's play some Warzone. Yeah, frame generation off. None of those shenanigans. Native 1440p res. Here's the rest of the settings, competitive settings. And we have max FOV. We're gonna play a match of Resurgence. I set up the monitor stand. This is gonna be way better. Got him. All right, that was a good start. Let's pop this UAV already. Okay, looks like we have someone on top of, he's either on the roof or, is it? Oh! I was like, why does it sound like he's on the bottom? Oh, shoot, bro. No! Are you, you're so lucky, bro. Hey, man, could we like talk about it? Could we maybe? Bro, I was using it as a human body shield, dude. Hello. What the? What the? Oh my god, we suck. Oh! Oh my! Honestly, everywhere is dangerous right now. Oh my god. When I was literally about to lift my hand to just dry the sweat, we just gave it to him, bro.
Hey, yo, what the? I may not have a brain, gentlemen, but I have an idea.
I think that was the guy who killed me, too.
We're done!
No, that guy's an idiot. He could have killed us. Well, that wraps up the gameplay on our RX 9070 XT compact micro ATX build form factor PC. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.